Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Extra Credit Builder Honest Review. So, Extra Credit Builder is basically a debit card that's designed to help build credits without being a traditional credit card. Instead of borrowing money and paying interest, it links directly to an existing bank account. Now, when the card is used for everyday spending, Extra fronts the purchase and then automatically pulls the money back from the connected bank account. Now, that activity is then reported to credit bureaus, many Experian and Equifax as on-time payments, which is how it's meant to help build or improve a credit score. Now, what a lot of people like about Extra is, according to real feedback, is how simple it feels. Now, there is no credit check to get started, no interest charges, and no security deposit like a secured credit card. Now, people on Trustwallet here often mention that it feels safer than a normal credit card because spending is limited by what's already in the bank account. So there's less risk of getting into debt. Now, many reviews say they saw gradual score improvement of and basically improving their and standing, and many actually saw some increases after a few months of consistent use, which is especially appealing for someone starting from scratch or rebuilding credit. With that said, a monthly fee is where opinions start to split. Now, Trustpilot reviews show that while many people are happy with the credit building results, others feel the monthly cost isn't worth it when there are alternatives that don't charge a recurring fee. Now, some reviews mention frustration with billing or account closure, and support experience are mixed. Now, a few people say support was helpful and responsive, while others felt responses were slow or unclear. Now, when you look at Reddit discussions, well, the tone is a bit more cautious. Some people confirm that Extra does support or report as promised and can help build credit, but others point out that it doesn't report to all three credit bureaus, and that makes some people feel it's not as powerful as traditional secured credit cards or other credit builder products that or report more broadly. Now, Reddit users often describe Extra as convenience-based option rather than the most cost-effective one. So, overall, based on what people are saying right now, well, Extra does work for credit building, but there's proof of that on Trustpilot reviews and real score improvements. Now, it's easy to use, beginner friendly, and low risk in terms of overspending. Now, the downside is the monthly fee and the fact that some alternatives can offer similar or better credit reporting without that cost. Now, if your goal is simplicity and avoiding traditional credit cards, Extra makes sense. If the goal is building credit as efficiently and cheaply as possible, well, many people online feel it's worth comparing it to other options first. But that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.